again. So today I'll be unboxing and setting up a Apple Watch iPhone dual charger thingy from this, I don't know how to pronounce. And it'll charge both your things at the same time, which is pretty awesome because you don't have the thousands of wires, you know, destroying your face. So, hi dog. And it's white and it's fast charging, it's wireless, and yeah, don't know how to read all that English. So, if I can open it, and there's tape. So, it's a nice box, and okay. Stop, Doug. Doug! Hey! Oh, okay. That hurts. Paper. That's okay. So, here's your charger. Putting it into the dog. And, oh, that's my hand. Okay. So, here's a green box, a mystery box, and this cardboard, so we're going to put it over there. And the cardboard over there. So, I don't want to take that off yet because it's really beautiful. So, I'm going to know what's in the next box. Ow! So, instructions. And then, it said it was wireless. It says it's wireless. Well, there's a wire. Okay. And here is the charger, the charger. Okay, so here's the charger. And it comes in a plastic bag. Okay, oh, whoops. And, okay, so this is the charger, that's where your Apple Watch goes, and this is where your phone goes, and that's where the charger goes, and I don't know what that is. How do we connect this? What the heck? We don't need that anymore. Okay, well, I guess that's all for this unboxing with a dog that's eating cardboard. So, I hope you all enjoyed unboxing this with me, a dual charger thingy that charges your Apple Watch and your phone. Have a good day. Bye-bye.